Disclaimer: this video is strictly my personal opinion and not intended as professional advice. I share this video for education purpose only. This is not signal or advice for you to buy and sell the stock or Forex. Trading is risky business and I will not be liable for any losses created by this video. Thank you. Hello traders, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is another session for Forex trading for the week starting 28th of December 2020. Before I start the analysis, I want to wish everyone Happy New Year 2021. So this has been quite a tough year, right, for a lot of people. I'm not sure whether you are involved, but a lot of people has been struggling due to this pandemic. Okay, COVID-19 pandemic has struck all over the world. Okay, a lot of my friends, a lot of people actually lost their job. Their income has been reduced. Okay, and a lot of people has been affected globally in a global scale. A lot of people lost their life and all this. So this was 2020 is really a tough year for the whole country. Okay, added the election, the chaotic US election. So traders, even for traders, right, it's not that easy. For the last few months, okay, it was not that easy to trade. So, but I do hope that next year, right, with the coming of the COVID vaccine, okay, from Pfizer, from Johnson and Johnson, from a few others, a pharmaceutical company. Okay, I hope we can eradicate and cut down the infection rate. Okay, if we cannot stop, at least we cut down the infection rate so the everything can go back to normal. Okay, for trading, right, this year, I mean, before the election months, everything has been doing quite well. Even for my own trading, right, before the US election, the time going up, the whole year, actually the market is not that bad. Okay, the market is actually quite consistent to trade. Okay, only up to the month starting from the US election, until recently, until December, all the chaotic and the second wave of the COVID infection, and now they are talking about another new strain coming up. We are not sure whether the vaccine is capable of fighting the new virus, to fight the new virus, to eradicate the new virus, the new strain, okay, from British and also South Africa. So a lot of challenges still ahead. Even starting next year, the vaccine will not reach a lot of countries. Only now the US actually got the vaccine. A lot of countries still do not get the vaccine, so it will take some time, for the market to stabilize. So in this type of condition, right, I do advise, for me myself, to cut down on the slot size. Okay, on all this uncertainty, it's not a good time to go full scale, full assault into the market. Okay, cut down the lot size, see what happen. Because as traders, a lot of traders, we can't just stop trading for a few months, right? At least we want to see what is happening in the market. But we only want to dip our toe into water and test the water. Okay, with a smaller size. Okay, don't take too much risk. Okay, because anything can happen. Now we are talking about second strain, all these things. And the US election, actually US election is not 100% complete. Okay, because Donald Trump has not used to Biden yet. Okay, so if he cannot if he haven't used, then there could be something going on. Okay, he might cook up something that might turn the table around. We don't know. So all this will create chaos, and also Brexit also, still chaotic. Okay, even though Brexit, I think they have reached an agreement, but we still have to wait and see how it goes. Okay, so let's uh, dive into the market. So for last week, right, the previous week, there's nothing much on the calendar. Okay, there's only the US GDP. Okay, US GDP actually was interesting because it actually get a had a higher percentage. Okay, a better result than expected. That's why the US dollar rebound a bit. Okay, and the CAD GDP also improved. Okay, so the US dollar actually rebound a bit. Okay, but actually there's nothing much okay on the calendar last week, so that's why uh, we don't see any movement, any strong movement in the market. Okay, it's basically a sideways market, right? And now for next week also, you can see on Monday bank holiday for Aussie, New Zealand, Britain, Canada. Okay, Tuesday and Wednesday there are no big impact news. Okay, up to Thursday, Japan will start to holiday. German will start to holiday. Then Friday is a New Year day. Okay, so all the bank is holiday. So next year we also don't expect any big movement in the market. Okay, but nothing, but we cannot say guarantee it will not move. Okay, but looking at the calendar here, we don't see any big impact. Okay, anything that will move the market. Okay, so expect for next week a similar market like this week. Okay, a slow market that doesn't move a lot. In this sort of market that doesn't move a lot, okay, if the best is don't trade. Okay, if we cannot stop ourselves on trading, okay, because trader, right, we still want to put our toe in the water, use a small lot just to taste the market. Okay, just to test the market. Okay, let's go into the chart. Okay, Euro USD last week I spoke about here. Okay, this consolidation area. Okay, if the price break the consolidation area, is an opportunity to buy. Okay, here, right, if price break is an opportunity to buy. Okay, up to R2 1.2415. Okay, up to this area. So last week, if I didn't buy here, didn't manage to buy on the break, I will buy on a retest. Okay, so this is a retest. You see, this is a retest. The price came back down, went back up, but now it stay here. Why it stay sideways? Because as we said, okay, there is no momentum in the market due to now is the holiday season. Okay, all the big bankers, all the big players, all the players that can make the market move, most of them I think is still on leave. Okay, so you see, even though it bounce up, it doesn't have the momentum to actually goes up. Okay, it just goes sideways. So looking at the market now, okay, even next week we see there's no news and a lot of bank is on leave. Okay, it's on close next week. So most likely next week we are looking at something like this. Okay, but as I said, the price actually went back and retest. So if the price actually can break out from here, okay, this is a retest. If the price actually can break out from here, this consultation, wait, consolidation is here actually, here. Okay, the consolidation is here. So if the price can actually break out from this consolidation, right, okay, if it breaks out, so we can expect the price to come and retest the 1.2415 area. Okay, 1.2415. 1.2248. Okay, if the price can break out from 1.2248, okay, we expect the price to come to test the 1.2415 area. Okay, if the price actually break down from here, okay, it breaks down, so we wait for a rebound here, okay, or here, okay, these two area, 1.2089 and 1.2015, okay, these two area, okay, wait for a rebound, okay, wait for a bounce, then only buy. Okay, as this is an uptrend, right? This is an uptrend, we will only buy the trend. Okay, pound USD is still is chaotic. Okay, it's very difficult to trade. You see there's no respect on the trend line. Okay, price zigzag on this trend line, these two trend line, right? Okay, these two trend line. Okay, price does not respect these two trend line. It zigzag around this trend line. This is very difficult to trade. Okay, this could be continue a sideways market. Okay, seeing this pattern, I don't recommend to trade. Okay, I don't see anything that can trade unless, okay, there is a the price actually bounce up from here. Okay, from here to here, then there's possibility to buy. Okay, 1.37347 area. Okay, but this is very difficult. I don't recommend to trade this pair this week. Okay, looking at USDJPY. Okay, USDJPY now price is in this consolidation area, 103.75 and 103.24. Okay, if the price managed to break out from 103.24, then there is an opportunity to sell up to 102.77 area. Okay, 102.077 area. Okay, if the price break down from here, then wait for a, okay, bounce to sell at 104.26 or 105.26. Okay, these two area to sell if the price actually break down, because this is a downtrend, right? Downtrend. Okay, we only for looking for selling opportunity as long as the price did not break. Okay, this is a, okay, support resistance line. As long as the price don't break this line, we will continue to sell. Okay, AUD USD price actually broke out from this consolidation area. Okay, almost reached the 0.76742 target. Okay, so the price actually came down, right? You see the price actually came down to retest. Okay, I always say that, you know, if you cannot buy, didn't manage to buy on the breakout, so buy on the retest. You see this is a retest. Okay, if we highlight this area, right? You go to H1 and see, you see, okay, this is a retest. Okay, price actually broke this support resistance area, came and retest and go back up, right, and bounce up. Okay, you cannot see in a 1 day area, a 1 day time frame. You might want to go into the 1 hour time frame to see the, okay, retest. Okay, so cannot buy here, then there is a retest. Okay, if you still didn't buy on the retest, so now the price on the consolidation. Now the price is on a consolidation. This is a consolidation. So we wait for the price to actually break this 0.7593. Okay, the price to break here, then there is a buy opportunity. Okay, towards, okay, buy opportunity towards the target. $0.7793. Okay, if the price cannot break this one, 0.46676, sorry, 7674, if price cannot break this resistance, okay, then we might consider to sell if it bounce up here. Okay, if we can break up here, then we are looking for 0.7793. Okay, if the price, okay, break down below 0.475 0.7515, 0.7515. If price actually break down, so we wait for a bounce on the support, on the support of on 0.7392, 0.7463 and 0.7210. These few areas for the price to bounce up, only we buy on the uptrend. New Zealand dollar, price in consolidating on this area 0.7098 and 0.7015. So if the price actually breaks up from this area, see price already broken up this area, 0.7098. So we expect the price to come up to test the 0.7334 area. If the price can break this 0.7179, if price can break here, we can expect the price to test the 0.7334 area. If the price break down below 0.7015, so you wait for a bounce, as these two area of 0.6916 and 0.6778. These two area for a bounce to buy. USDCAD. USDCAD, the consolidation, the price will broke down from consolidation. If the price broke down, we say we're going to buy we're going to sell after a retest. So this is a rebound. It's a bounce from the 1.2933 area. The price come down, bounce up. So this is an opportunity to sell. So if you haven't entered the trade, there's the next opportunity, will be here. If the price can actually break out from this support area 1.2794, the price can break out from this area, then look for a price to come down to 1.2705 to 1.2617, the target, these two areas. If the price actually broke down above, so wait for a bounce at these two areas, 1.3030 and 1.3186, to initiate a sell. Gold, we talked about this trend line, right? We have to wait for the price to break this trend line only to buy. So now the price has slowly come back up to here. So this is the consolidation area previously. These two lines, it's the most important line now. If the price actually can break out from this area, 1909, when it breaks out from this area, means it has already cleared this area, right? This, we talked about this area, right? It's the bearish area, right? The bearish territory. So we are going to break out from this bearish territory. So if the price managed to break out from this, from this 1909, means it really clear this very important resistance line and also clear this important resistance trend line. So price broke up here. We look forward to to go to 1952 and possible above. If the price really break down from here, then we have to wait for the price or come back a bounce to break, at least break this trend line, only we're going to buy. The reason that we don't buy on this bounce, right, because this is, as I said, is still within a bearish territory. So the bear is winning. So we don't want to go and fight against the bear, because the bear is very strong at this area. So so that is our analysis for this week. Please remember to like and share my video, and also subscribe and hit the bell so you will not miss all my new posting. Okay, I will do more update on the Forex. Okay, lately I've done quite a lot about on the stock market, so I'll do more posting on Forex when I see good opportunity. Okay, I will put more ad hoc update on the Forex. Okay, remember, do comment if you have any question. Okay, so stay safe from COVID. Okay, happy new year. Okay, see you again most likely next year. Okay, because next week end of next week is already next year. Okay, happy holiday. Bye bye.